TCI's FM4923 approved Chemduit. Flexible ducting is engineered to limit fire spread and retain structural integrity, ensuring safe fume control in clean rooms. Experience the exceptional flexibility and durability of TCI One Duct. With a 6:1 compression ratio, it's perfect for versatile industrial applications. TFE Duct All PTFE Zero Metal, built for the harshest chemicals including chlorine, FM4910, specified material flame and smoke rated, 100% PTFE from support rings to outer shell. TCI's FM4910 specified materials provide industries with an edge in maintaining a contamination-free environment and fire safety. Introducing TCI One Duct, the future of flexible ducting. Built with advanced cross-film technology, its all-PTFE wall construction offers superior flexibility, corrosion resistance, and a tight seal while meeting top fire safety standards. Choose TCI One Duct for HVAC, chemical processing, and more to future-proof your operations. Where strength meets flexibility, TCI's cross-film flexible ducting is your go-to solution for high-stakes applications, because when failure isn't an option, neither is compromise. For top-notch performance, choose TCI's cross-film flexible ducting. Built to endure harsh chemicals, extreme temperatures, and constant flexing, it's perfect for critical ventilation in industries like semiconductor manufacturing, food processing, and more. Count on cross-film for reliable, long-lasting operation. When reliability is key, choose TCI's cross-film PTFE ducting, perfect for corrosive, high heat, or cleanroom environments. It delivers unmatched durability and chemical resistance. Contact us now to ensure your systems are protected with the best in the industry.